Hi you guys and welcome back. So today we are going to be doing a Valentine's Day look, and I wanted to create something soft and glam, which is this is what I came up with. And I didn't have a look in mind when I first started, so I did use the Jaclyn Hill palette, and I ended up using some gel glitter. I apologize. I was just gonna use the palette, but I kind of like messed up a little. But yeah, I think it turned out pretty good. And for my lips, because I like this lip combo, I used the NYX pencil lip liner and the Gerard Cosmetics lipstick in the color Nude. But I will leave all the products down below. And what else was I gonna tell you? Oh, these lashes are from the Only Mill Cosmetics. I really like them with this look too. But yeah, let me stop rambling. So let's just jump right into the video. Okay, so I have just primed my eyes, and I'm gonna be using my Jaclyn Hill palette because I feel like a lot of people have this palette and could do a simple, easy Valentine's Day look. So I'm going to start out with these brown shades right here for my transition color. So like I said, I already primed my eyes. You can use concealer if you want, but I just used some eyeshadow primer. So I'm just gonna take this above my crease. I'm going to be going in with a smaller brush, this shade right here, and focusing that more on my crease, like right in here. And now I'm taking like the first color I used just to add more color because I feel like I lost the color up here. Okay, so now I'm gonna be taking these two colors right here. Whoa. Okay, I'm gonna be taking these two colors right here and putting that on my brow bone. And then sometimes if I make it too harsh, like I always do, I just brush it out. I'm gonna be taking my concealer. You can use any type of concealer. And I'm gonna be cutting for a halo eye. So I usually place it on there and then look up. And what I usually do is I stamp it. I don't move it around. And now I'm just gonna be blending out the corners with my finger. So I think I'm going to be using these two shimmers right here. The two shimmery pinks. And I'm just going to put that on the center of my eye. I feel like that doesn't really show up at all. Maybe I should get a different pink. But actually, you know what? You know what? I'm going to buy using. Where the hell is that stupid glitter? Okay, so actually I'm going to be using this glitter. It is a glitter gel. And I'm going to be putting that. So what brush are we going to use? What brush are we going to use, Mama? Okay, I'm going to start out by putting some on my hand because I cannot tell if this is like chunky or not. Ew, you went poop, didn't you? Oh, jeez. You know what? I feel like it goes on easier with my finger. So I'm just gonna be taking this color right here and putting that in my inner corner to darken out these creases right here. So this look is not what I expected, but you know what? It looks all right. I'm just gonna be adding more glitter because some of it fell off. Okay, so I did my face off camera, but I'm gonna be using my Lonnie blush because I feel like it's the perfect pink. This is in the shade Blossom Time Rose. And to clean up under my contour, I like using my Makeup Revolution setting powder or baking powder and just clean up under here. Layla, why are you pushing that over? There's nothing in that. So for lashes, I'm going to be using the Only Mill Cosmetics, and I'm not sure what style these are. They don't say a name, but I will leave it tagged in the description box. So these ones I feel like are like the perfect like wispy lashes. Okay, and for highlighter I'm using my Ofra in the style Rodeo Drive. So I sprayed my face already. I always like apply my highlighter after I spray my face. I'm gonna go in and apply some eyeshadow at the bottom. Then we're just gonna be taking the browns that we used. taking a brush with the lighter color and buffing it out. So I'm going to be taking the 2 highlighter colors out of the palette and putting that in my inner corner. For lips, I'm going to be using my NYX. This pencil's really small because I use it a lot. It's called Nude Truffle, and I'm going to be lining my lips with that, and then using some Gerard Cosmetics in the color Nude. I love this like formulation of that lipstick for some reason. Like it doesn't dry my lips out or anything. But I feel like I'm all done. I'll just take my hair out because, you know. Okay, why do I feel like I'm forgetting? So that wraps up this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, and yeah, we will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.